Hello everyone and welcome to the Citrus Twist Kids YouTube channel. I'm Laura and I'm so happy to be here with the first project for this channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a traveler's notebook spread with the amazing September life crafted kit. I love all the beautiful elements that it brings and all the stamps, stickers and all the papers and the patterns are just so beautiful. I'm gonna start with this page by choosing the base elements, the papers I want to be on the background, and this time I tried some of the basic patterns. I didn't want them to be so busy, so I could have fun decorating all the pages afterwards. So I chose this blue paper with phrases written on it. The wood grain paper, it's one of my favorites. I always use them on their kits. And a soft gray background with a little design on it that I think that combine really well, and it will be a perfect background for what I want to create. Once I have the papers chosen, I want to start decorating, and I have a plan with this stamp set. I love all the designs that it have, and I think it's so fun to use because you can arrange many different designs and have a lot of fun playing with them. I will start with the circle, and I used one of the papers from the scrapbook add-on kit, and I'm gonna stamp this circle with black ink 6 times. I want to create like a pattern of circles in one of the pages, and you'll see how it turns out. And I had a lot of fun playing with the stamp set. You can see that there are some elements perfect for your travel memories, and you can combine the different elements to create this pattern. You can see that I stamped 6 circles, and I'm gonna stamp the inside of 3 of them because on the other circles I want to add some pictures and have more fun with these elements. You can see that it's so easy to create these designs, and you can combine them just as you want and use them as well without the circles, and it's perfect to create some titles or a little fun element to document your memories. Once I have them stamped, I'm gonna start cutting them, and you'll see how cute they look once they are all together. Once I have all of the circles cut, I'm gonna arrange them in the blue page in a kind of a diagonal pattern. And now I'm gonna be adding the pictures to the circles. I picked some pictures from the same trip, and I want them to be rounded as well. So I'm gonna use the same circle stamp to know how to cut the pictures. I'm gonna stamp just to roughly know the placement, and then I can cut the pictures to fit in the shape. It's so easy. You can use any pictures. Some of them were a little bit larger than maybe was the circle, but you can always choose a little detail from the picture to point out. And I think it's really fun to play with the pictures and have them in other shapes. And you can also get the idea of the picture and remember these moments. Once I got the pictures cut, it's just time to start having fun decorating all the elements. I started with the puffy stickers. The circles with the phrases go, see, do were perfect for this page because they match the round elements, and so it brings a little more fun with different different sizes. Then the title is from the scrapbook add-on kit also, and it's just so easy to just put the title and you get the idea of the trip. Now you can see I'm choosing from all the beautiful elements from the ephemera pack. There are so many flowers and elements with beautiful colors. I really love them, and in this case I wanted to balance the two pages. So I'm bringing some of the colors from the right page to the left one and just adding beautiful flowers and all these elements. I also put some of the puffy stickers that are round to the other side to help the balance the page a little bit more and add these circle elements to the other side. And now it's just having fun playing around with the elements and seeing how you want to decorate them. You can add more flowers or make it more simple, but it's just so easy with this kit to combine everything together, and it's so easy because all the colors match really well. I want to add something to back the picture, and I used some of the leftover paper from the right side, and I think that this makes it more cohesive. Then I'll add a little subtitle with these phrase stickers. I think they are so cute and I always love to use them in my projects. And just a little tiny elements with the puffy stickers and all the little hearts. I think they are the perfect finishing touch to the page. And why not some more flowers? Because there aren't always enough flowers in my projects. I love how many beautiful elements there are on this kit. Finally, I'm gonna add some journaling to the bottom of the page. I like to write it first with my pencil so I can know more or less how I want it to look, and then I just write it on with a pen, and it's on the perfect placement I want it to be. Finally, once I have all the elements in the right place, I like to glue it all together so I know exactly how it's gonna look at the end. If you want to change something now, it's just having fun and getting it all where you want it to be. You can see that all the elements are so well chosen with the colors because it's so easy to work with this kit. You don't need to think too much to make it all fit together. And now that I have it all glued down, I'm gonna give it just the last touches with a little journaling. And it's almost done. You can see that it was really fast to create this page, and I love all the different elements. It's so much fun to use the stamps and all the beautiful elements from the kit. Finally, I will cut the elements that were off the page. I think it's fun to get some of the ephemera pieces a little bit off the page because they are more dynamic, and it's so fun to use them this way. Finally, I'm just gonna add some staples, and that's all for this time. I hope you enjoyed it. It was my first video in English, so I hope it was understandable. And I hope to see you really soon with more projects and having a lot of fun creating these pages with the Citrus Trees Kids. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to visit their shop to see all the beautiful kits and stamps and all the beautiful projects the people is creating in the creative team. So that's all for me. I hope you have a really good day and see you really soon.